Welcome to our video on 12 signs it's time to replace your kitchen cabinets. If you've been feeling frustrated with your kitchen, it might not just be the clutter or cooking mess, it could be your cabinets calling for attention. Today, we'll help you identify the key signs that indicate it's time to bid farewell to those outdated or damaged cabinets and embrace a fresh, functional look in your kitchen. From warped doors to outdated hardware, let's dive into the warning signs that it's time for a change. 1. The doors won't close properly. One of the most noticeable signs that your kitchen cabinets need replacing is if the doors won't close properly. This can be due to worn-out hinges or misalignment. If you find yourself constantly pushing the doors closed or dealing with gaps, it may be time to consider new cabinets. Properly functioning cabinet doors not only enhance the aesthetics of your kitchen but also improve its functionality. Imagine trying to cook a meal while juggling cabinet doors that refuse to stay shut. It's not just inconvenient but also frustrating. New cabinets can save you from this daily annoyance, ensuring a smoother kitchen experience. 2. Visible water damage or warping. Water damage is a significant issue that can compromise the integrity of your kitchen cabinets. If you notice visible signs of water damage, such as warping, discoloration, or bubbling, it's a clear indication that your cabinets are suffering. This often occurs near sinks or dishwashers where moisture is prevalent. Replacing cabinets that have been damaged by water can prevent further issues and protect your kitchen from mold and mildew. Think of water damage as a silent invader that slowly erodes the beauty and strength of your cabinets. Addressing this early by replacing the affected cabinets can save you from more extensive repairs down the line. 3. Cabinets are outdated or out of style. Trends in home design change over time, and what was once stylish may now feel outdated. If your kitchen cabinets are from a bygone era, they can make your kitchen feel less inviting. An outdated look can detract from the overall appeal of your home. Replacing your cabinets with modern designs can breathe new life into your kitchen and make it a more enjoyable space for cooking and entertaining. Picture your kitchen as a fashion statement. Just like clothing, it needs to be updated to keep pace with current trends. New cabinets can be that refreshing change your kitchen desperately needs. 4. You're running out of storage space. As families grow and lifestyles change, the need for storage can increase. If you find yourself running out of space to store kitchen essentials, it may be time to replace your cabinets. New cabinets can be designed with better storage solutions, such as pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, or built-in organizers. This can help you maximize your kitchen's storage potential and keep it organized. Imagine a kitchen where everything has its place, and you no longer have to play a game of Tetris with your pots and pans. New cabinets can turn this dream into reality. 5. Cracks and splits in the wood. Over time, wood can develop cracks and splits due to age, humidity, and temperature changes. These imperfections not only affect the appearance of your cabinets but can also lead to further deterioration. If you notice cracks or splits in your cabinets, it's a sign that they may be reaching the end of their lifespan. Replacing them can ensure that your kitchen remains both functional and visually appealing. Picture the wood as the fabric of your cabinets. When it begins to fray, it's time to start anew to maintain the overall structure. 6. The paint or finish is peeling. A peeling paint or finish can make your kitchen cabinets look neglected and worn. This is often a result of moisture exposure, poor quality materials, or simply age. If you find yourself constantly repainting or refinishing your cabinets, it may be more cost-effective to replace them entirely. New cabinets with durable finishes can provide a fresh look and require less maintenance. Think of peeling paint as the skin of your cabinets. When it starts to flake, it's a sign that something deeper might be amiss and needs attention. 7. It's difficult to clean your cabinets. If you find that cleaning your cabinets is a chore, it may be time for a change. Cabinets with intricate designs, rough surfaces, or outdated materials can trap dirt and grime, making them difficult to maintain. Replacing your cabinets with smooth, easy-to-clean surfaces can save you time and effort in the long run, allowing you to enjoy your kitchen without the constant battle against dirt. Imagine your cabinets as a canvas. The smoother the surface, the easier it is to maintain its pristine condition. 8. Outdated hardware. Sometimes, the hardware on your cabinets can make them feel outdated. If your cabinet knobs and pulls are old-fashioned or mismatched, they can detract from the overall look of your kitchen. Updating the hardware can provide a quick facelift, but if the cabinets themselves are also outdated, it may be worth considering a full replacement for a cohesive look. Think of hardware as the jewelry for your cabinets. Sometimes, a simple change can make a world of difference, but other times, a complete makeover is necessary. 9. Poor functionality and layout. If your cabinets are poorly designed or don't fit well within your kitchen layout, it can hinder your cooking experience. Cabinets that are too high, too low, or poorly placed can make it difficult to access your kitchen items. Replacing your cabinets allows you to rethink the layout and design, creating a more functional kitchen space that meets your needs. Consider your kitchen as a puzzle. Each piece needs to fit perfectly to create a harmonious and efficient cooking environment. 10. The cabinet doors are falling apart. Worn-out cabinet doors that are falling apart can be both an eyesore and a safety hazard. If you find that your cabinet doors are loose, sagging, or completely detached, it's time to consider a replacement. New cabinets will not only improve the aesthetics of your kitchen but also ensure that everything is securely stored. Imagine cabinet doors as the gates to your kitchen treasures. When they become unhinged, it's a sign that they need to be replaced to keep your kitchen secure and stylish. 11. Your kitchen smells musty or moldy. A musty or moldy smell in your kitchen can be a sign of hidden moisture problems, often linked to damaged cabinets. If you notice unpleasant odors that persist despite cleaning, it may be time to replace your cabinets. New cabinets can help eliminate these odors and create a healthier kitchen environment. Think of the smell as an invisible alarm. When it rings, it's alerting you to potential underlying issues that need addressing. 12. Your kitchen doesn't reflect your personal style. Lastly, if your kitchen doesn't reflect your personal style, it can make the space feel uninviting. Your kitchen should be a reflection of who you are and how you live. If your cabinets don't align with your aesthetic preferences, replacing them can transform your kitchen into a space you love. Whether you prefer modern, rustic, or traditional designs, new cabinets can help you achieve the look you desire. Picture your kitchen as a personal art gallery. It should showcase your taste and personality, making it a place where you feel at home.